Hello, this is CS50's web development with Python and JAvascript assignment. My first one, I had to design a front end for the 3 pages: Google search page, image search, and advanced search page. And in the first web page, there are 2 links to the other web pages, to the image search and to the advanced search, and they are just in the upper right corner according to the specifications. Each of them has the back to Google search links. Let's check it. Yeah, so the first web page, we can type in any query here, and to find the results, okay, like that. And I'm feeling lucky button returns the very first result found by the Google search engine. A Wikipedia article. Okay. All right. Image search web page helps us to find any images only. And advanced search page helps us make our queries more specific. For instance, if I want to find the exact word or phrase, I can type it in here. And when clicking the advanced search button, we will get the exact result according to a query. Okay, so the CSS of these 3 pages resembles Google's own aesthetics. The content is centered where necessary, and the links are all there according to the specifications. The buttons. Okay, the advanced search web page, also the rows are aligned to the left and the advanced search button to the right, and it is in blue color with white text on it. Thank you.